I tried a vending machine business. I tried the computer fixing business. I tried a network marketing business. I tried to recruit my friends and things like that. And then I tried a mail order business. So a lot of these business failures. And I could tell you, it boils down to one thing. All these ideas that I had, most of the time, because I thought it was a good idea. Here's what I believe in. Every single damn problem I have in my life right now started off as an idea. It started off as an idea that, hey, you know what? I could make some money doing that. I could make a few bucks doing this. And no, it was just a bad idea. I didn't have the experience. I didn't know how to analyze the market. Is there a need for what I sell? And quite frankly, I didn't have the ability to execute. So the idea was fine, but my execution, just like most of you watching this video, your execution is lousy. You do not have, or you haven't developed the capability or the skills to execute the idea with excellence. 13 failures. Now, wouldn't you agree most people would have given up by this point? But I couldn't afford to give up because I had to take care of my mom, and because of all these business failures, I was $150,000 in debt. So I said to myself, hey, I already hit rock bottom. It could get getting worse than this. I'm already in debt. I'm not making enough money. I have to make it. And the business 14th, that's when I made it. And that's when I made the decision to learn a skill set. And the very first skill set, high income skill that I learned was copywriting, the ability to use my written words to sell, to market. So learning the art of copywriting, learning the art of communication, the art of closing changed my life. It's only after I learned that then my business started to work. That's the distinction, because it doesn't matter what it is that you do. You may be thinking, wow, here's my product, here's my service. I'm in the digital marketing business. I'm in the e-commerce business, right? I'm selling whatever product. I'm in the financial service. It doesn't matter. That's your product. That's your service. That's not your business. You are in the business of marketing that product or service. And unless and until you know how marketing works, how do you make an offer? How do you articulate your value to the marketplace? How do you communicate what it is that you offer in such a way that compels people that want to buy from you, that positions you as a leader, as an authority in the marketplace? When you know how to do that, then it doesn't really matter that much what it is that you sell. Yes, you need to know the business. You always want to know the business, but you would know what actually makes business go. You know what moves the needle. You know what actually creates revenue. Sales and marketing. When you know sales and marketing, you have an unfair advantage in the marketplace, period. Most businesses struggle because of lack of revenue. Why are they not making enough revenue? Why? Tell me. Because they don't have customers. Why don't they have customers? They don't know how to market. They don't know how to create a compelling message. They don't know how to create an engaging story and push it out there in the marketplace in a way that makes people react, that makes people respond, good or bad, that makes people respond in such a way that they want to do business with you. You may have the best product in the world. You may have the best service in the world. You may provide the best service it doesn't matter. None of that matters if people don't know that you exist. If they don't know that you have something to offer, and if they don't want to buy from you, how would they know? It's like dating, right? You have the best personality, so what? If no one wants to go on that first date with you, they will not find out how good you are. They will not find out how nice you are. They just would not know. So that's what turned my business around. You need to equip yourself with those fundamental skills. So then it doesn't matter what business you get into, you have an edge.